I'm going to show you Microsoft RMS Firearms Bound Book software. Let's log into the system. First, we'll create a purchase order for some firearms and accessories. We can see we have no open purchase orders. I'll click New. We can make blank purchase orders, order items from a selected group, order items to replenish what we've sold, or let the system tell us what to order based on minimums and maximums. We'll let the system create the order, and I'll choose the departments to buy for. Our suggested orders were created. Let's take a look. We'll preview the Big Rock Sports order. We'll edit the purchase order as may be required. I'll remove an item from the purchase order, and we'll save our changes. From here, we'd fax, phone, or email our order, or send a supplier EDI, or we can also create a receiving order at the time of receipt if we don't create purchase orders in our store. Let's now receive in this purchase order. I'll record the serial numbers for our firearms. Let's pretend the serial numbers are sequential. I'll add random serial numbers for the Smith & Wesson. I'll delete a serial number and re-add it. I'll receive the other items as ordered. We'll update our item quantities and applicable serial numbers, and then go add the firearms from this order to the bound book. We are immediately presented with any acquisitions or transfers that have not been added to the bound book. We'll add all the items. We're done. The bound book is updated. Let's take a look at our bound book. We can add or remove viewable columns, sort, group, filter specific data, and even save any formats of the bound book we like to look at. I'll move the date column. I can sort columns, and I'll filter to find something specific in my bound book. I've arranged the details the way I like to see them, and I'll memorize the format. This concludes the presentation of ordering and receiving firearms utilizing Microsoft RMS Firearms Bound Book. Thank you for watching.